Hi kindergartners, it's Yaya, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to make a pig. So the first thing you need is your pink Play-Doh. And then you're going to squish some of it out, and this is going to be the body of the pig. So we're going to roll it into a ball. Like this. And then we're going to get 4 smaller pieces and roll those into a ball too. So here's 1 piece, 2 pieces, 3, and 4. And so we're gonna roll each of them into a ball. Just like that. And these are going to be the feet. So we're going to want to flatten them a little bit. Not too much, but just a little bit. Just give it a couple of taps like that. Okay. And now we're going to make the head. So you're going to want to get something bigger than these pieces, but smaller than this piece. And you're going to roll that into a ball. See? Just like that. And now you're going to want to get 2 small pieces. And these are going to be the ears. So about this big. And you're going to want to flatten them. And you're going to want to pinch the sides like this. Just pinch one side so that it makes a triangle. So take this and pinch so that it makes a triangle. And you can flatten it again if you want. There we go. And now for the last part is going to be the tail. So you want to take a piece and you're going to want to roll it into a ball. And then you're going to want to roll it out like this. And if you have too much, you can always take it off. There we go. And then we can twist it a little bit. Like that. Okay, now time to build the pig. So we're going to want to get its feet ready. And we can put the feet on, just like that. And just squish the ball on top so that it flattens it on there. Now we can put the head on. And just put that on top. And the ears. And then we can turn it around and put the tail on. And if you want to use the back of a pen or a pencil, we can poke holes in to make the eyes, like that. And there we have our pig. Now that I showed you how to make a pig, let me tell you a few facts about them. Did you know there are about 2 billion pigs on Earth? That's a lot of pigs. Pigs can drink up to 14 gallons of water every day. That's a crazy amount of water. An adult pig can run up to 11 miles per hour. Wow! Pigs are really smart. They're always curious and insightful animals who are widely accepted as being smarter than young children of at least 3 years of age, dogs, and even some primates, which are monkeys, by the way. Pigs are very peaceful animals. They rarely show aggression. The exception, as with many animals, is when a mother and her young offspring is provoked or threatened. Thank you for watching my video. Stay tuned for next time. We'll be making a tiger.